Flower Fairy Tutorial by Cher Our World. Hi, today we are going to make flower fairies. What we need is a small 3/8 of an inch bead, 3 petals from a silk flower, a chenille stem or pipe cleaner, and about maybe a yard of fluffy yarn. First we're going to fold our fluffy yarn up into kind of a bunch, and we're going to fold our pipe cleaner in half. Then we're going to clip that piece of yarn into the pipe cleaner just like that. And to catch that so it stays nice and stable, we are going to put the bead onto the end of our pipe cleaner. The most important thing about the beads you buy is they have to be able to fit 2 layers of the pipe cleaner. We're going to draw that all the way up. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make our little flower fairy arms. So we're going to take our pipe cleaner and bend it so that both arms are out. Then we are going to bend each arm back and give it a quick twist, just like that. And then we're going to bend this arm of the pipe cleaner and we're going to give that a quick twist, just like that. And then we're going to take the pipe cleaner and bring it back down so we have legs, just like that. The next thing we're going to do is take our flowers, and we want to go from the top of our flower, the top of our skirt down. So the skirt, I want my skirt to have this flower as the top. And I usually use 3, maybe 4 flowers. You can use more. It makes them fluffier. Or any less than 3 seems to me not quite enough. So we're threading those flowers onto the pipe cleaners, one at a time. Just like that. So now I have my flowers on the pipe cleaner beneath my arms. I'm going to turn it upside down and I'm going to make legs. And to make legs, I'm going to do the legs just like the arms. I'm going to bend the pipe cleaner that way and that way, so I have legs. And I'm going to give each leg, just like I did the arms, a quick twist. And then to lock this whole thing together, do you see I have a couple of little ends right here of pipe cleaner? You can see there and there. Those little ends of pipe cleaner, I'm going to push together, and I'm going to wrap around the whole pipe cleaner. So I make a little bump right like that. Then I have my pretty flower fairy there. There you have a beautiful flower fairy. Thank you for watching Share Our World.